Hello, my name is Manishka. I'm from West Bengal.
My name is Preetham Bera from West Bengal.
Hello everyone, myself Shatik Sharkar. I am also from West Bengal.
Hello, my name is Sinchan Kaur and I am from West Bengal.
Hello, my name is Sunidhi Tripathi. I am from Haryana.
Hello guys, I am Shubh Samaddar.
Hi, my name is Udayan Chakraborty. I am from West Bengal.
Hello everyone, I am Olipto Biswas from Kolkata, West Bengal.
Hey, so hello, my name is Anvit Biswas.
Hello, my name is Devashmita Mandal.
I was been preparing for NEET actually, but in my drop year I also known about IIT.
Yes, I was not preparing for IIT, I was preparing for JEE. I started my preparations for IIT after my pre-selection in boards.
I originally started preparing for NEET. I gave NEET in 2024 for the first time, couldn't secure a college. So I gave IIT.
Honestly speaking, I was preparing for NEET at Allen Kota. But my second choice was IISER. So NEET ने तो धोखा दे दिया.
I was been studying for NEET and I have been preparing for last 3 years.
I prepared for IIT itself. I didn't give any other exams.
I was preparing for JEE and ISA exams, and I have been preparing from Vedantu.
I was a dropper for NEET. Actually, my first choice was getting into MBBS college and all, but it changed the last moment as I didn't get a seat. So research was somewhat of an interesting thing for me. So I got to know about IIT and IISER from SciAstra. So I was kind of interested. So I took the chance, prepared from there, and the rest is like history, and I'm here.
So I expected a very strict environment and even less availability of things, but to my surprise, I have a little more lenient environment and things little more available than what I thought of.
I did not expect anything from here, but I guess it's pretty chill in this campus, but it's way too humid and hot.
I expected a more serious environment. I thought people were very much serious.
So don't expect anything. सब कुछ अच्छा जाएगा.
Didi's video only increased our expectations. It's okay, our reality was somewhat close. The food's great, the environment is great.
Okay, the expectation was the food will be good, and I don't know, like it was so far away from the main city.
Well, I didn't have much expectation before coming IISER BPA and it's going well. That's it.
My expectations, I have no expectations, but yes, those family norms. मिस का खाना कैसा होगा, सीनियर्स रैगिंग करेंगे या नहीं, सब कुछ ठीक ठाक रहेगा नहीं, पर इधर आने के बाद मुझे लगता है कि yes, everything is good.
My expectations, to be honest, I didn't had any expectations at first, but yeah, I had a fear of being ragged by the seniors or the super seniors, but out of my surprise, the seniors here are really friendly. In fact, I find the seniors really approachable than my own batchmates.
I also didn't have any expectations, but मैंने Quora और Reddit पे सर्च किया था कि IISER BPA कैसा है और नहीं है, बट उस हिसाब से अच्छा ही है. मेस का खाना भी टू बी ऑनेस्ट अच्छा ही है, क्योंकि मैं 2 साल कोटा में रहता था.
The most weird thing in my college is few of my batchmates. मुझे लगता है कि इनको निकालो यार बैच से, क्यों आए ये लोग यहाँ पर.
The weird thing I have faced in this college, especially in Boys Hostel 1, that one whole day the water didn't come.
Weird thing, I just found out that if you just roam around at 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. you will see lots of snakes, crabs like so big, and the scorpion, you will find lot of them, man.
Menu prices of this one shop. Yeah, too expensive, and it's too expensive.
Obviously, I'll do research. I want to do research in bioinformatics. I think I came into a college of national importance, and in the name itself, it's Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research.
My answer is same as him, like most of it. like I will do research obviously because I am just studying in IISER. So, but apart from that, if money is there, I will go.
So yeah, my future aspirations will be to make some, try making some contributions to the scientific world, and maybe also be a part of imparting education and imparting educations to future aspirants and future scientists. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I will also opt for research. IISER means research, but let's see what happens in the future. I have a particular interest in astrobiology, and I would like to, or my aim is to pursue my PhD from foreign.
So as we know, in today's world, everybody is just running behind to earn money in a shortcut way, but that is not what I want out of my life. I definitely want to pursue research. I want to become a scientist, know more things, and the most important thing that I want for myself is respect from all the people.
I personally would prefer research and a PhD abroad because I like to work by myself and, if possible, a peaceful way of a career. So research is for me.
I'll also go for research in the phases of my life that I can afford hustle, and then I'll prefer a peaceful life, whatever field grants me that, if either research or any other field, but I'll prefer research. Thank you.